Today, we invite you to a special episode of our channel dedicated to a topic that affects many people worldwide. Today, we're talking about anemia. Anemia is a condition that results from a deficiency of healthy red blood cells in the blood. These tiny cells are crucial for our bodies as they carry oxygen to all our tissues and organs. When the number of red blood cells is insufficient, the body may experience various symptoms. One of the most common symptoms of anemia is chronic fatigue. Individuals affected by this condition often feel a lack of energy and have difficulty concentrating. They may also experience sleep problems and overall weakness. Often, iron deficiency is the cause of anemia. It's important to consume foods rich in iron, such as meat, leafy vegetables, nuts, and seeds. Incorporating these ingredients into your diet can help increase iron levels in the blood. In some cases, taking iron supplements may be necessary. However, it's important to remember that supplementation should be done under the supervision of a doctor, as excessive iron intake can have negative effects on the body. If you suspect you have anemia, it's important to consult a doctor. The doctor may order blood tests to confirm the diagnosis. Remember, only a healthcare professional can accurately assess your symptoms and recommend appropriate treatment. For mild iron deficiency anemia, physical activity such as regular exercise can help improve blood circulation and increase overall body endurance. It's also important to reach out to your family and friends for support. Anemia can affect your well-being and daily functioning, so open communication and understanding from loved ones can be incredibly helpful. If you have concerns about anemia or any other questions, consult a doctor. If you want to learn more about health, support each other, and be part of our community, we invite you to join our Facebook group Health and More. It's a place where we can share tips, inspiration, and work together towards a healthy and fulfilling life. Once again, thank you for watching, and we look forward to seeing you in the next episode.